bus. So I'm just refusing to drive when that person is on board of the inside the bus, and because he's refusing to leave the bus, I'm asking for the police to escort them out of the bus before I continue driving.
You should have gone back and said that there's a passenger who got at the traffic light because I didn't pick him up when he was there.
Okay, thank you. I'll wait here.
That is what you should have done. It's just being, you know, egotistic, fragile, things like, okay, I'm not moving, blah, blah, blah. As a matter of fact, I wish the police gets here on time. Seriously. Attitude is bang out of order. Look, he was right at the bus stop, right there. Yeah? He didn't open the door for him to enter. It's a gentleman at the back there. Okay? He didn't open the door for him to enter.
Could you give me your name, please?
No.
Because I am going to write a complaint.
No.
No, she has the right to ask your name. Yeah. She has the right. If you don't have your name, you have a driver.
Listen.
Don't give me your name then. Give me your driver number.
You have the bus running number is over there. That's the running number.
That is the bus number. That multiple drivers.
Listen, you don't get to get any of my information.
You know how it works.
Just your driver number, sorry. If you don't want to give me your name, that's fine.
I'm not a public servant. Because I'm not a public servant, you cannot have any. No, you cannot have any of my information.
That's fine. I will write to them. 607. That's fine. Then they will get the complaint.
Red buses don't issue transfer tickets.
That's how it works. So he has every right, but it's our right to demand, because he is driving the car, to demand his driver number. You don't have to give me your name and your address, but you have a driver number. Because you work for TF or you work for Abelio. So you have to give, then I'll make a complaint to Abelio about your behavior. Then we can take it on from there. You are refusing to give your driver number. That is wrong. Honestly. It's ridiculous. It is.
Are you receiving?
Yeah, I'm receiving.
Yeah, what's happening with you? The code blue, is everything okay?
I was on the traffic lights at Ealing Broadway station and it was red, so a passenger came from outside, opened the door on his own from outside and came inside the bus. So I asked that guy to leave the bus. He did not left, so I'm waiting for the police to escort him out of the bus.
This is ridiculous.
Okay, so a passenger got into the bus by opening the door herself and so that you did a code blue for police.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, first of all, I think code blue, I don't think so they can get you police. You need to code red for that. Is the passenger causing any problem inside the bus, my friend?
No, there is no problem. Well, the guy already left. There is still one passenger that was arguing the whole time, but it's just one person left at the moment.
Sort yourself out, honestly.
Okay, so the passenger's left the scene now.
Yeah, they just left, so I'm departing.
Okay, that's fine. You're gonna go with them in the bus now. 1 second, buddy. 13032. Yeah, just give yourself a couple of minutes and go, because otherwise you're gonna go with your leader. Okay, sorry, your follower is right behind you. Oh, just carry on for now. I'll sort you out on the way. Carry on.
On the E7. Do you still need assistance?
No, the guy that entered the bus on red light, he left the bus. I will proceed now, if possible.
Okay, that's good to hear, thank you. We'll clear the call, thanks, and assist you. 5 days match for Queen's Park Rangers. NLE number 63463 to a now going in, all my last used by the offence side ready for 29th, available please. Good afternoon, information call from NMCC. The mobiles in and around Waterloo, as usual, York Road. There's a notice of event for today, this afternoon, was due to go in about 5 PM. The basic independence today, that's Echo Papa 23/47490. Right, any mobiles that are affected by it, it does say a closing York Road. It has, at the minute. However, there is still a heavy police presence in the area. There's tanks slightly ready to go back up across the road. And due to traffic all around the area, we're just going to ask mobiles to follow the NOE if you do use York Road. Mobiles use York Road have got instructions on the NOE to follow in case it's closed. Please follow those from now. Other mobiles have got instructions on the NOE such as the Whitehall. Stay on the route. Mobiles to follow this is the ones that are affected by closure.